Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to set up a second monitor. You need a second monitor turned on, proper cable like HDMI, and a laptop or PC with compatible port. Firstly, connect the second monitor to your PC using the correct cable. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Under Multiple Displays, click Detect if the second screen isn't showing up automatically. Use the drop-down to choose Extend. Use it as an extra screen space. Duplicate. Mirror your main screen or second screen only, which is only show the external monitor. Now drag the monitor icons to match your physical setup, then click Apply to save changes. Make sure the monitor is on and set to the correct input, and restart your computer if it doesn't recognize the second screen. Update your graphic drivers if display detection fails. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.